Welcome to the Arrow Workshop. Today we're going to show you the features and applications of the T50ACD electric staple gun. Unlike traditional electric tools, Arrow's breakthrough T50ACD electric stapler delivers consistent pro-grade performance regardless of job site voltage fluctuations, even on a 100-foot extension cord. A motor drive results in more consistent drive power as compared to traditional solenoid designs, which may have inconsistent drive force. The result is maximum power with every shot. This tool features a convenient bottom load magazine with a quick release feature, a soft overmolded grip, and contact safety. This tool works with T50 staples from 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch. This tool is perfect for jobs such as installing insulation, as well as DIY repair projects like screen repair, upholstery, and craft projects. Thanks for stopping by the Arrow Workshop. We hope you enjoy your new tool.